If you want to pass the FAA Part 107 exam, then you need to watch this video. Just 6 days ago, I knew nothing about drones, flight maps, and everything that had to do with the exam. And trust me when I say this, I knew nothing. But in this video, I'm going to talk about my process with how I studied, and there is a free version you can do, and there's also a paid course that I took, which I also highly recommend. So let's get straight into it. Honestly, the first 2 days of studying for this exam was kind of rough because I knew nothing. And I started out with watching YouTube videos, and there's honestly 2 videos that I highly recommend that you watch. The first video is from Tony and Chelsea Northup, and they have a free drone certification study guide. This video was recommended by a friend, so I watched the video, which was the very first thing I did. The video is well over 90 minutes and covers every aspect that you need to know for the exam. The video is 7 years old, but it really does cover a lot of information that you need to know. The next free video that I watched is from Matt Kendall, and he also has a free study guide video, and this video is more up to date as it was posted 2 months ago, so I highly recommend watching this as well. So these 2 videos in itself cover over 3 hours of studying that you can get for free. Now, some people will be done there and go take their exam after watching some free YouTube videos. However, I cannot do that myself. So I was looking for different courses to practice more of, and the most budget-friendly one I could find is from Altitude University. And this course is a total cost of $97. And I just want to say, if I did not take this course, I probably would have failed the test. So I wanted to take as many precautions as I could, so I got started with taking this course. In this course, they offer 8 modules that go over every single part of the exam. In these modules, you get video lectures, graded quizzes, flashcards, lifetime access, and most importantly, practice exams. This course also has a 99% pass rate with over 17,000 students on the first try that pass. And when I went through this course, I honestly had no complaints, and it was pretty straightforward. What I also like about this course is that if you potentially fail, which I know you won't, that you can get a refund from the course itself. But this only applies if you get over 80% in all your practice exams, but it is nice to know that you can potentially get your money back. If you are interested in taking this course, I will have an affiliate link down below in the description where you can sign up at. So this is my entire experience with studying and preparing for the FAA Part 107 exam. Now let's go back, and here's the footage from test day and take a look if I passed the exam or not. It is currently test day for taking the exam, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of confident. So today's Tuesday, August the 27th, and yesterday I was doing all the exams for a second time, and I made sure to get every practice exam at least a 90%, and I did that. But right now I'm currently just going through all of the answers to the exams again and just refreshing my mind for everything. So fingers crossed, knock on wood, that everything will go well for the test. I currently need to leave my house in like 40 minutes. I have my test at noon. Hopefully it takes no more for an hour to take the test, but fingers crossed. I'm in the car now, and it's about an hour before the exam. So I'm going to go ahead and head to the center. It's about a 20 to 30 minute drive from where I live. And so that'll leave us about 20 minutes in the parking lot. So we're just going to refresh our mind with notes that we have on our phone, which I highly recommend you to do if you're going to take the exam. And I can't bring my phone in, so I'm going to leave my phone in the car. And the only thing I'm going to bring in is my driver's license, because you need a form of ID to show them. That's it. I'll see you guys after the exam. It is after the exam officially, and your boy passed with a 77%. And I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of stressing because I was 50-50 on so many questions, and I wasn't too familiar with a couple of them that I didn't see, so I really had to go with my gut. One of the answers was obviously not it, so honestly it was 50-50 for a couple of them, but I'm just grateful that I passed, and taking those 5 to 6 days of studying definitely was worth it. So if you're thinking about getting your drone license, definitely study. Unless if you're some MIT graduate, but for an average guy like me, I definitely needed that. Freaking excited, let's go. But yeah, now I just have to put all my information online, and I can officially fly my new drone. If you have any questions regarding studying or with the exam, please comment below, and I'd love to help you out as much as I can. Thanks for watching.